Huh, got it done here. Ouch! And we're gonna make sure you lit this time. Ouch! You're not gonna get me this time.
Ow, Manny!
Whoops! Let's try an easy one.
Take one dark night in November, add one adult, a tin box with a lid, and a torch. Mix in a liberal sprinkling of children of various ages and place a few handfuls of well-chosen fireworks all together in the box. Then take out the fireworks one at a time, close the box, and read the instructions carefully using the torch. Light the firework at arm's length, preferably with a safety lighter, and then stand well back and wait. And wait. And wait. Never be tempted to return to examine a dud. It might not be. Add a little sparkle for good measure, and what have you got? The perfect recipe for a safe and happy Guy Fawkes night. It's called the Firework Code, and it's yours free whenever you buy fireworks. Remember, on the 5th of November, follow the Firework Code.
Three things to remember about sparklers. 1. A sparkler can seriously burn a child, so hold it at arm's length. Not the child, the sparkler. 2. When you've finished with it, put it in a bucket of water. No, not the child, the sparkler. And 3. Always hold it in a gloved hand. Well, now you're just being silly, aren't you? Sparklers. Handle with care.
Planning ahead can save you endless grief. Something you can do without on fireworks night. On fireworks night, do things right.
On fireworks night, you're going to hand your child something 8 times hotter than cooking oil. Something 5 times hotter than a barbecue. Handle sparklers with kid gloves.
It's on you. It's about that time. So come on, get on up, take it to the top. Don't stop. It's about the time. It's on you.
It's that time of year that can be fun for some, but for others, not so much. Be a good neighbor and celebrate with care.
Zeg, heb jij ook wel eens dat gevoel? Van laat nou maar ontploffen die boel. Lekker knallen, de boeven gallen. Twee mooie stompjes, dat is pas cool. Het zijn maar handjes, wat moet je ermee? Ook tegen werken zeg ik lekker nee. Laat de rest maar sjouwen en muurtjes bouwen.
Te gek. Fantastisch. Maar nu wel even tekenen, boys.
Nou die handjes de lucht in, als zie ze nou eens gaan.
Firework afsteken.
Je mag niet afsteken, sorry. Horen jullie mij ook niet?
Mensen rond, hè? Ja, ben je hier afsteken?
Ja.
Weet je wat jullie aan het doen zijn?
Doe even niet.
I just think fireworks are good crack. You can blast people with them.
I think fireworks are dangerous because one of my friends in school got their hand burnt off by a firework.
I've done it in the flat. Steal fireworks to his letterboxes now.
A firework went through my granny's letterbox and it caught under her curtains and she was very scared.
Lucky, get away. Love me sitting here now. Don't feel so brave now.
Illegal fireworks. Don't get your fingers burnt.
Leuke jongens. Welke wil jij? Ja, welke wil jij? Ik wil die blonde. Hallo, jij neemt altijd de leukste. Ze zijn toch alle twee leuk? Neem jij die blonde, neem ik die krullel. Maakt mij niks uit.
Quick, how many fingers is he holding up? None. Never light fireworks in your hands. Visit cpsc.gov for more tips on how to celebrate safely.
Leuk hoor. Ja, jezus. Al lang, Hey man. Hey.
Otters use stones to open crustaceans, just like the woodpecker finch knows how to employ cactus needles to consume grubs, while the chimpanzee knows a good way of cracking nuts. But only a limited number of species are capable of learning to use tools in the way humans do. For example, the chimpanzee looks around.
Verknal je toekomst niet met vuurwerk. Voor meer veiligheidstips, haal de folder bij postkantoor of bibliotheek.
Think how much you use your hands. Most fireworks can cause serious damage to hands and arms. Many of these are at family house parties, often the result of messing with fireworks and sparklers. Make sure your fireworks are legal and follow the firework code. Never put sparklers in the hands of under 5s. Always keep a safe distance, and most importantly, if a firework fails, leave it alone. Use your head or lose your hand.
Even a sparkler can be dangerous if you don't take care. A sparkler stays hot even when it's out. Make sure your child doesn't start November the 6th like this.
Well, Kerry, not saying hello to me then?
She's not quite herself today.
Oh?
Show Mrs. Green what you did, love.
Oh, how did she do that?
Well, it was yesterday evening. We had just a few fireworks for the kids. I thought we were ever so careful, but there's always something you forget to tell them.
How did it happen then?
It's a sparkler. You wouldn't believe it, would you? I mean, really. It wasn't as though the children were on their own. I was there. I did the lighting. And I took good care they were holding the sparklers properly at arm's length. Not dancing around waving them and poking each other's eyes out.
So what did happen then?
Well, I ask you. When the sparkler's finished, back she goes and tries to pick it up. It may look cool, but it's still red hot, isn't it? What a silly girl, then.
Make sure your child doesn't start November the 6th like this, or worse.
Drown your dreams another way. Try to weep another day. Don't you wait.
Ja, die pijn, die kan je niet wegblokken. Het is net of ze er met een priem in steken. Ik heb samen met een paar vrienden een bom in elkaar geflanst. Met strijkers, een plastic zakje, een paar strijkers als ontsteking. Op het moment dat ik hem af wou steken, ontplofte die gelijk. Bloed spoot eruit. Mijn duim lag ernaast. Het is al die jaren goed gegaan.
I love people. Love to be around them, see them smile, see the laughing faces of their young and children in turn. I'm drawn to this flickering hypnosis, to reach out as I do in fateful embrace. My name is Fire. Be careful when you're near me. I can't help myself.
Over 1,000 people a year still get injured by fireworks.
For parents to supervise children's activities during
More than 2/3 of them are children. Do you know where your child is in the weeks up to November the 5th? Out collecting? Getting fireworks from older children? Parents, where's your child tonight? Where's that boy?
Zeg, heb jij ook wel eens dat gevoel? Van laat nou maar ontploffen